The Appalachian English accent.
Appalachian English accent. Universal Declaration of Human Rights. All human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. They are endowed with reason and conscience and should act towards one another with a spirit of brotherhood.
Numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Greetings and phrases.
Hello. Hey there. Hey y'all. Oi. Good morning. Morning. Morning y'all. Morning to you. Good afternoon. Afternoon to you. Good evening. Evening to you. It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet y'all. Goodbye. Bye. See you. See y'all. Yes. Yeah. Yup. No. Nay. Maybe. I reckon. Thanks. Thank you. You welcome. No problem. Excuse me. Pardon me. I'm sorry. Sorry. I apologize.
Vocabulary.
Afeared. Poke. Blinds. Blink. Boomer. Cathead. Yeah. Dope. Flannel cake. Side-goggling. Tote. Reckon. Poke salad. Toboggan. Whistle pig. Scald. Lamp oil. Coal oil. Jacket. Holler. Gom. Plum. Tater. Tomato. Britches. Cove. Counterpane. Fixin' to. Ill. Toe sack. Palins. Peckerwood.
Pronunciation.
Air. All. Apple. About. Bath. Better. Body. Book. Brother. Butter. Car. Cat. Cheese. Dark. Day. Daughter. Dog. Earth. Example. Face. Family. Father. Fire. Friend. Full. Garage. Good. House. Idea. Important. Jewelry. Juice. Kitchen. Knowledge. Laugh. Lot. Lock. Mate. Milk. Mother. Moon. Mountain. Mouth. Name. Natural. New. Not. Ocean. Oil. Old. Orange. Organization. Paper. Place. Raja. Rare. School. Sister. Sun. Star. Station. Sun. Things. Thunder. Uniform. Vidya. Village. Water. Young. Letter Z.
Sample text.
The outside world knows little to nothing about the mountain folk of Appalachia, and judge us to be without culture. The negative stereotypes have become very well known and widespread. To speakers of Standard English, or any other dialect of English, the strange sounding mountain talk confirms these misconceptions. We are often viewed as inbred and stupid. Quite frankly, the way we talk is associated with ignorance and backwardness. Alas, this means we are subjugated to stereotypes and are made the butt of many jokes. More's the pity.
The wren.
The wren used to have his nest in the car shed. Once the old ones had both flown out, they had wanted to get something to eat for their young, and had left the little ones all alone. After a while, Father Wren returns home. What happened here? Who harmed you? Children, y'all are terrified. Oh, Dad, they say. The big boogeyman came by just now. He looked so fierce and horrible. He stared into our nest with his big eyes that feared us so. I see, Father Wren says. Where'd he go? Well, they say. He went down that way. Wait, Father Wren says. I'll be after him. Now don't you worry now, children. I'll get him. Thereupon he flies after him. When he comes round the bend, 'tis the lion who's walking along there. But the wren ain't afraid. He lights the lion's back and starts scolding him. What business do you have coming to my house, he says, and terrifying my children? The lion pays no attention and keeps walking. The loud mouth berate him even more fiercely. You ain't got no business being here. I tell you, if you come back, he says, well then you'll see. I don't want to do it, he finally says, and lifts one of his legs, but I'd break you back with one of my legs in a second. Thereupon he flies back to his nest. There you go, children. I taught that in a lesson. He won't be back.